Psalm 23, read from the Net Bible. The Lord is my shepherd, a psalm of David. The Lord is my shepherd, I lack nothing. He takes me to lush pastures. He leads me to refreshing water. He restores my strength. He leads me down the right paths for the sake of His reputation. Even when I must walk through the darkest valley, I fear no danger, for You are with me. Your rod and Your staff reassure me. You prepare a feast before me in plain sight of my enemies. You refresh my head with oil. My cup is completely full. Surely Your goodness and faithfulness will pursue me all my days, and I will live in the Lord's house for the rest of my life.